All right, here's the bad scenario. Thieves grab your phone, they run around the corner. They swipe down from the upper right corner for Control Center. They toggle off airplane mode, and now Find My on your Apple devices can no longer track your iPhone, and the thieves make off with your phone. Okay, let's prove this with a quick test. What I will do is I will cover up the Face ID in the dynamic island, and it will not see my face. However, when I swipe down, I can still get to Control Center and I can toggle airplane mode. Let's fix that. Let's go ahead and get it configured correctly. Let's go into the Settings app, scroll down to Face ID and Passcode. You'll enter in your passcode, and once the page opens, we'll scroll down just a ways. Let's find Control Center and toggle that off. Now your phone is safer. Now let's verify that if the device is locked, that we cannot get to the Control Center. We'll go ahead, tap to wake, and you'll see here that I cannot get that to show up. The phone just turns off. However, if I tap it now with it clear to my face, it can see me, and now I still have access to Control Center. And your phone is still convenient for you. Now here's a better scenario. Thieves make off with your phone. They run around the corner. They attempt to swipe down from the upper right, but there's no Control Center. So they know they can't put it in airplane mode. They know that this phone can be tracked. They drop your phone right where it is. They run off. You use Find My on another one of your Apple devices. You retrieve your phone and you go on with your life. And just to be clear, it is possible to be on your lock screen with the phone unlocked. And that's what allows you to access Control Center from the lock screen. You'll notice up here, see the dynamic island has the lock. If I tap it, it scans my face, and you saw the quick animation for the unlock. And that then allows me to get access to Control Center.